no room for my hands down there. So you gotta do it little by little. So you're gonna free it up. With your left hand, yeah, it's all hidden. That number 8 is hidden like a motherfucker. But it's going. Just gotta be patient. Go. There's just no room down there. There's no room down there. So you need that little swivel, because there's no freaking room down there. So that's what kind of, without the swivel, I don't know if I could have gotten it. So that's the trick. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Use a little swivel right there to get the last one. Cylinder 8. And then got it. That shit's never been replaced. They don't look that bad. I've seen worse. They don't look that bad. They don't look that bad. So that's cylinder 8. So I got this diagram right here. Got this diagram right here. I got this diagram right here, so when I take them out, I put them right where they were. Okay, what you want to do is sucks is I need 2 hands, right? I need both hands. So now we got that one, cylinder 8, cylinder 7. What do we do with 7? Here's 7. Okay, just put them in there. All I did was with this box, with the scalpel, I made a cross. That's all I did. Made a cross with the scalpel. Now I get to study them. Okay, it's very, I don't know, I like to study things. I like to study this shit because it shows you a lot of things about your engine. Okay, this shit shows you stuff that you wouldn't even believe. Like, for example, okay, this right here is bank 1, bank 2. This is the front. The problem, you what you want to do is you want to look at them. Okay, see how you look at them, and right away you can tell that these two right here are dirty. They're dirty. So when you see them dirty and oily like this, they were failing. For instance, this one right here was making a knocking noise. It was even loose. It wasn't even on right. It was just going tick 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 tick. And you can tell that whatever was causing this issue also was affecting the next cylinder next to it. You can tell because they're both dirty. They're both oily. It wasn't burning either the fuel or the oil. It just wasn't. It was not working properly. You can tell. You see the other ones, they're clean. They're clean. You can tell, okay? And so when I took the wire out on those two, what a coincidence that on those two wires this happened. This one was pretty much already cut up, and this happened too on these two. But on the other ones that they look all good, none of that didn't happen. And see, I like to put them right here too, like this, so you can tell exactly where the problem was and where you might find problems later. Like, if anything, I might find problems later here and here as time progresses. If I have any further issues, I know that bank 2 is good, but I know that bank 1, there's something wrong. There's something's up right there. And you can tell just by looking at the spark plugs. You can tell just by looking at them. And that's why it's important to know where you're taking them out. So I do a diagram, and I suggest you guys do a diagram like this and study your engine, because this is pretty much how it's working inside of your engine. This is inside of your engine, and it's creating the spark. I mean, they're still very decent, but I'm gonna replace them because, like, for instance, this one right here, this number 3, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 5 right here. You look at number 5. Check out the problem with number 5. Check out number 5. Not very good, right? Damaged up. So you can tell a lot. I can tell a lot. Any mechanic can tell a lot by just studying your spark plugs. You know, I might need to do some further repair right here down the road if they keep failing. But I'm hoping that just by replacing them, putting in some new wires, and tighten them up real well, because what was happening is this one was so loose, I pretty much took it off with my hands. And so you can tell, just like the rotten apple, you know, once you get a rotten fruit, the one next door to it suffers too. It starts rotting too, because it's not working properly. They're connected. They're right next to each other. So there you have it. Changing the spark plugs, getting in some new wires. Yeah, I'll do a video on that tomorrow, because I don't have the parts. I don't have the parts. I just started doing this, and without the parts, they'll get here. Amazon, way cheaper than AutoZone or anybody around here. All right, guys, have a good night. Fucking middle of the night doing this shit. That's how we do it. Peace. Peace. Chevy Silverado.